Alright guys, 2006 to 2010 Honda Civic. How to reset the oil life to 100%. What we're gonna do is, we're looking at this button right here, this reset select button right here to the left. Alright, let me fix my light. This little button right here. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna put this key on the accessory. You're gonna hear beeps like that. Alright. Once those beeps are finished, you're gonna press this button and hold it down and pay attention to that light. Do not let go of the button. Once that light starts to flash, you're gonna let go of this and hold it back down. Do not let go, and that light should change to 100%. Alright, so let's try this together. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put this key off, put the key on, wait for the beeps, and I'm gonna press the button now and wait till it flashes. There you go, it's flashing. I'm gonna let it go. It doesn't have to be immediately, and I'm gonna press the button right back down, and I'm holding to it till it changes to 100%. There you go, it changed to 100%. So pretty much what you do again is, you're gonna put the key on, wait for the beeps to finish, you're gonna press this button down, hold it down, and then you're gonna wait till that percentage light starts to flash. Once it flashes, you're gonna release this button here, and you're gonna press it back down right away and hold it down till that light changes to 100%. So again, this is how you reset the oil life on a 2006 to 2010 Honda Civics. They're all the same procedure. If it has that button, you're gonna use it. All right, and the key over here, you're gonna put it on the position second, which is the accessory position. That's the second position there. All right, that's it. Please subscribe my video and share it with your friends. Make sure they subscribe.